Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
Okay, magandang good noon sa inyong lahat. It's 12 noon time here in the Philippines. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga heroes natin dyan, mga OFWs and sa mga audience ko dito sa Pilipinas from Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao. Hello, good noon sa inyong lahat. Happy eating ha, so yung mga kumakain dyan. Okay. Guys, ang ating vlog ngayon ay tungkol kay Vice President Inday Sara Duterte. Itong vlog na ito at itong video na ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon ay last week pa ito nangyari kay VP Sara. Ngunit gusto ko lang mag-react, mag-comment tungkol dito sa kanyang nakakatawang speech ni Vice President Inday Sara Duterte sa Public Attorney's Office. Ito nangyari, no? Talagang nasasabi ko sa sarili ko, itong si VP Sara manang-mana sa kanyang tatay na si former President Duterte. Yung speech, guys, hindi boring, no? Nakakatawa, talagang manang-mana talaga sa kanyang tatay na kapag nag-speech, nagbigay ng mga yung mga storytelling ba? Tsaka yung mga the way siyang mag-deliver ng kanyang speech, talagang Duterte, Tatay Digong talaga yung kanyang style. So, bago ko i-play itong video na ito na ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys, no? Libre kayong i-like at i-share itong video natin para kakalat ito sa taong bayan, no? Ma-share itong kaganapan ni VP Sara. Okay? Sabay-sabay tayong mag-like and share sa Facebook at YouTube. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, and also guys, don't forget, please subscribe and please follow sa ating Facebook at YouTube, Donmar TV, para lagi kayong updated sa mga good news nating mga balita, no? Kasi good news yung mga balita natin ngayon eh. Okay, sabay-sabay tayong mag-follow and subscribe. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, thank you very much. If naobserba ninyo yung aking mga vlog ngayon, ano ito, no? Last week ito na topic dahil nga walang masyadong ganap na balita ngayon. Ngunit matagal ko nang gusto itong i-vlog itong si Vice President Inday Sara Duterte sa kanyang speech. Ngayon lang nakataon, no? Medyo walang ganap masyado ngayon kay Presidente Bongbong Marcos. So, kay Vice President Inday Sara tayo ngayon mag-focus. I-play natin itong video at kayong mga audience ko dito, okay? Sabay-sabay tayong mag-react at mag-comment tungkol sa kanyang mga mga biro sa kanyang speech, okay? So, without further ado, let's play the video and makinig tayo, okay?
Dito ngayon sa inyo. My first boss was Attorney Persida Acosta for 1 day only. When after I took my oath as a lawyer, I went to her, I presented myself, I applied, and then she said, okay, sige, you go through the application process, you start with this, you start with that. And then she said, after you're done with this, you come back to me, and
Guys, abangan nyo lang, mamaya nakakatawa itong speech niya.
then we'll talk about what you will do for the public attorney's office. And then I said, yes, okay, ma'am, sige. And then I think that was the last time you saw me, ma'am, no? And the next time you saw me, I was already mayor. Because my former professor in law, tinawagan niya ako, sabi niya, oh, Sara, where are you now? Sabi ko, ma'am, nandito ako sa Manila. Sabi niya, oh, what are you doing? Sabi ko, I already applied. I'm happy to tell you that I already applied in the public attorney's office and that I'm in the process of complying all the requirements. Siya, what? What are you doing in PAO? You go to the Supreme Court. You talk to this person. You apply there.
Digong na digong.
Sabi ko, oh, okay, ma'am. Siya, no. You do it now. You go there and you apply. So I went to the Supreme Court. I went to this person and applied there. And then that person told me the same thing. Ma'am said, okay, you go through this process, you apply, you do it everything, and then you come back to me. And then I decided to follow my law school professor. And then after 3 months, I get a call from the former President of the Republic of the Philippines. Told me,
Which is si tatay niya.
oh, Inday Sara, where are you? Sabi ko, I'm here in Manila. I'm already in the Supreme Court. I'm working as a court attorney. Sabi niya, ha? What are you doing there? You go back to Davao. Sabi ko, I really want to work here. I like the work. I like it because it's research, it's writing, it's something that I'm really good at. Siya, no. You go back to Davao. You take care of your mother. So, I packed up my bags. I went home to Davao. And then, syempre pag nasa bahay tayo ng nanay natin, libre lahat, diba? Libre ang kuryente, libre ang tubig, libre ang pagkain, libre ang gasolina. And so, I wasn't doing anything at all. And then I get a call after about 2 months from the former President of the Republic of the Philippines. Oh, Inday Sara, what are you doing? Nagbabantay ako ng mama ko tsaka ng boyfriend ko. No. What? You come with me. Akyat tayo ng bundok. May puntahan tayo na barangay doon. So, that is the reason why I am always a staple in the events of the Public Attorney's Office because Attorney Persida was my one-day boss a long time ago. And of course, I am here because I want you to know that you have a friend in the Office of the Vice President.
Hindi pa ito guys ha. Tignan nyo, mamaya. Nakakatawa na.
And that office will always be behind you and beside you as you serve our country. And of course, mahal na mahal ko si Attorney Persida Acosta.
Ayan, tignan nyo.
I love you, ma'am, dahil napaka-weirdo mo, ma'am. Nagtatanong silang lahat, ma'am, kung ano daw, bakit ayaw mo daw tumakbong senator?
Digong na digong, no? Ano kayo, palabiro, bolero talaga.
Kasi ma'am, ayaw na daw nila magsuot ng puti na...
Really require kasi yan ni Attorney Acosta eh.
Hindi ko alam kung nasa convention ako ng mga doktor o MCLE ng PAO, ma'am. Ma'am, buhay na buhay sa inyo ang perla, ma'am. Hindi naman dahil magsusuot yan sila ng itim na coat, ma'am, ay demonyo na yan sila. Hindi, ma'am. It doesn't follow. No, truly, ma'am. Mangangampanya po sila lahat sa inyo, ma'am, if you run for senator. We always need that one weird person in the Senate, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Opo. Ako po ang pinakamasipag, ma'am, na mga
Siguro guys, itong si Attorney Acosta, no? Siguro strict ito.
kampanya
Yung strict na talagang mahusay rin magturo, di ba?
para sa mga kaibigan. Everyone knows that po. Iilan lang ba tayo dito? This is about 500? 2,000? Okay, 2,000. Kulang pa tayo ng 14,700,000 votes para manalo sa Senado. But if you don't want to work for 15 million votes, ma'am, pwede naman ikaw mag-chairperson ng Commission on Audit, ma'am. Sila doon, ma'am, I think they would want to experience wearing white, ma'am. You only need one vote there, ma'am, the vote of the President of the Republic of the Philippines. And, by the way, he's my friend.
Si Bongbong Marcos.
Or why not Chief Justice, ma'am, sa Supreme Court? Diba? Before, prior to coming here, I was in a lunch with the former President, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, and she asked me, "Oh, Inday Sara, where are you going now?" I said, "Ma'am, I have an event in the Public Attorney's Office because I'm always invited there, ma'am, because Attorney Acosta is my one-day boss." And then she said, "Oh, tell her that I send my best wishes and best regards to her." Sabi ko, kilala mo siya, ma'am? "Yes, I appointed her." And then naisip ko, oh my God, ang tagal na nun, ma'am. Ma'am, this is an autocracy already. Idol mo ba si Putin? Okay. After our event this afternoon, I'll be sure to call my friends in Congress and say na, palitan na natin ang pangalan ng PAO. It's Persida Acosta Office.
Tuwang-tuwa si Attorney Acosta.
No. I have a message. I have a speech. I need to be paid. No, I need to work. I need to work for my salary. Assalamualaikum. Madayaw ug maayong hapon.
So, ito na yung formal speech niya sa yung programa dyan.
Inyong tanan. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I commend the Public Attorney's Office and the organizing...
So, yung speech niya, medyo seryoso na yun. No? So, iyon lang ang mga hinighlight ko na itong si Vice President Inday Sara natin ay makamasa talaga. No? Very humble pa rin. Palabiro, kagaya ng kanyang tatay, no? Na ngayon natin nalaman na talagang may deep na relasyon sila ni Attorney Acosta pala, no? Hindi ka talaga mabobore dito sa mga Duterte. So guys, kayong mga audience dito, mag-comment, react kayo kung anong masasabi nyo kay Vice President Inday Sara Duterte. Okay? Ano ang mai-comment nyo tungkol sa kanyang speech? Anong mai-comment nyo sa kanyang paglalahad ng talumpati sa kanyang ugali, no? Kung anong masasabi nyo, okay? Comment down below, mag-react kayo, babasahin natin yan lahat, okay? So guys, don't forget na i-like at i-share itong video na ito para kakalat ito sa taong bayan. And please like, please subscribe sa Don Mar TV para lagi kayong updated sa mga good news natin, para lagi kayong updated sa mga galawang pampolitiko. Okay? So guys, patuloy nating ipaglaban, may lamok. Patuloy nating ipaglaban itong ating great leader sa Pilipinas, Presidente Bongbong Marcos. And as what Vice President Inday Sara Duterte said na, oh may lamok guys, wait muna. Okay. Sorry. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas. Yan ang lagi ang sinasabi ng ating Vice Presidente. Okay? So guys, have a great day. Happy eating dyan. I hope na enjoy ko kayo sa inyong sa mga kumakain dyan. No? If tatandaan nyo, no? O as kung maobserbahan nyo na wala tayong mga negative na balita ngayon, nga gusto ko good news, okay? Kasi ayokong ibalita yung mga awayan ng mga vloggers sa yung tungkol sa Malacanang na nakaka-negative. Gusto ko lahat ibahagi sa inyo, i-share sa inyo na mga good deeds na nangyari sa administrasyon ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos at itong VP Sara Duterte, okay? Para good vibes tayo dito lahat, okay? Pero kung meron tayong dapat banatan, pwede rin. Ngunit ngayon, wala naman. So patuloy tayo sa mga good news natin, okay? So guys, have a great day. God bless everyone. See you in my next video.